What is up, everyone? Hanel here. We're going to talk about something that can make or break your business. ERP. A good ERP system ties your whole business together, like the nervous system of your company. But a bad ERP, it's like a virus. It'll wreck your whole system. Today I'm breaking down the top 4 reasons why ERP implementations go bad, so you can avoid ending up with an ERP horror story. The number 1 reason for ERP failure? It's not what you might think, treating it like a tech project rather than a comprehensive business initiative. Instead of viewing it as a business transformation that impacts every aspect of your operations. Slapping software on an outdated process is like putting racing stripes on a donkey. It looks different, but it ain't going to win any races. You need to rethink and redesign your processes. Define what you want to achieve with your ERP and get everyone on board. Clear goals and objectives are crucial. Implementing an ERP system involves serious changes to everyone's job. It's not just about the software. You need proper training, support, and communication throughout the process. This ensures everyone is aligned and prepared. Remember, ERP is an investment, not just a purchase. Manage the change effectively, and you'll see the benefits. So, you've decided you need a new ERP system. Great. This is a significant step towards improving your business operations and efficiency. But before thinking about software vendors, you need a solid business case. This means understanding your current processes and identifying the gaps that the new system will fill. Clearly articulate the costs and benefits of the project. Include both tangible and intangible benefits, such as improved productivity and better decision-making capabilities. You need a champion at the executive level to ensure the project gets the resources it needs. This person will advocate for the project and help navigate any obstacles. Without a strong business case and executive sponsorship, your ERP project is dead in the water. Many projects fail due to lack of proper planning and support. Take the time to build a solid business case and get your executives on board. This will set the foundation for a successful ERP implementation and long-term business growth. The best solution is the simplest one. Implementation. Don't cheap out on the build. You've defined your objectives, built a business case, and resisted over-customization. Now it's time to implement. Choosing an inexperienced or low-cost implementer is like building a PC with the cheapest parts. It might work for a while, but it'll eventually crash and burn. A good implementation partner is worth their weight in gold. Do your research, get references, and choose a partner you can trust. Outro. Avoid bad ERP. Get it right. Remember, a successful ERP implementation is all about getting the basics right. Define your objectives clearly and ensure everyone on your team understands them. Build a strong business case that aligns with your strategic goals. Avoid over-customization, as it can lead to unnecessary complications and increased costs. Choose the right implementation partner who understands your industry and can provide the necessary support throughout the process. I'm Hanel Rose of ERTECHNOLOGIES. With years of experience, my team and I are dedicated to helping businesses like yours succeed. Give us a like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest insights and tips. Leave us a comment with your thoughts or questions. We love hearing from you and are here to help. If you're thinking about implementing or upgrading your ERP system, don't hesitate to reach out. Book a call with us to discuss your needs and how we can assist you in achieving successful outcomes. My team and I are committed to providing the best support and guidance for your ERP journey. Until next time, see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more valuable content.